Finally found something different, you guys. I don't know if you guys know what that is. This is the Stranger Things Nike Cortez. What is going on, YouTube viewers? We are here for another Nike outlet video. We're looking for some heat. Always looking for heat at Nike. At the Nike outlets, you guys. But yeah, we're at the Santa Clarita Clearance Center. This is a place I come to all the time. Yeah, let's see what's going on, you guys. What is going on, YouTube viewers? We are here for another Nike outlet video. We're looking for some heat. Always looking for heat at Nike. At the Nike outlets, you guys. But yeah, we're at the Santa Clarita Clearance Center. This is a place I come to all the time. Yeah, let's see what's going on, you guys. I do want to give a big old shout out to the homie Julian. I heard you've been watching some of my videos. Maybe your dad's working today. But yeah, your dad's a cool ass guy. We'll see if he's working. Go see what's up, you guys. Oh man, I'm not used to coming here and there's no sales. It's like a Wednesday? What day is it? Tuesday? Oh, it's a Tuesday. It's a Tuesday, so no sales, man. That's crazy. That's why it's empty. I haven't seen that in forever. Even with no sales. The resellers still killing the Jordan section. Look, nothing. Still killing the Jordan section. Only thing I see here is the Jordan 33. These go for $94. It's a cool lacing system. Dope lacing system. That's the release right here. Like some wires. These are like super strong wires. Pretty cool. Jordan 34s just were released. So there should be some really good deals on these. $100 though. $100, no additional discounts. Damn, that seems high for KD11s. That seems high. This is the location where I got some KD12s for $50 some dollars. Dang, I just sold those too. Some double straps, some Jordan 1 double straps. Who's getting these? Are these popular? I don't know. Are people buying these? I don't know. I was wondering who bought these. We got the LeBron 3 Super Bronze on today. Oh, that's interesting. Look at this. This is in the regular section. Oh man, this would be really good for $79 for some LeBron. Dang. LeBron lows, huh? That's what's up right there. Even without a discount, that's legit $79. Dang, that's what's up. Not bad. Some 2016 Super Bronze. I do like the color on these. I do like the color. Not bad. They got that 30% off. It'd be even better. I don't know why they got so many of these for retail. Dang, I don't know if they got a big return. Look at that. All of them the exact same one, same size, everything. Yeah. For retail, these the Biotechs, I believe. But all suede. Jordan 10 and a half. How bad? Jordan 10 and a half section. No crazy fire, but still gotta look around. Got some Vapormax Flyknit 2s. 110, not bad. Just not a crazy good deal, but yeah, it looks super cool. I'm a big fan of the colors. All black with that Oreo colorway in the front or something. Those look nice. They look nice. Air Shake Indestruct. What the hell? These are ugly. Yeah, these are bad. Who's buying those? Those are ugly. Yeah, there's just no heat in the 10 and a halves. No heat whatsoever. Yeah, Max 97 Premiums. That's an interesting print. What is so some of it's suede, some of it. Oh, it's like a mixture of suede and it's like just regular linen, as well as suede. That's interesting. That's really interesting. And for $100, no discounts today. Yeah, I think it's a brand new colorway. Isn't this a brand new colorway that just came out? I guess someone returned theirs. Can't go on sale yet because it's brand new, right? Dang, missing that 30% off. Air Max 270s. This is one of the earliest colorways, if I remember. Go for sale, $69.99. Super bright, a little too bright for me. We're looking for steals in the 11 and a half section, you guys. Looking for steals at the Nike outlets. $450. I'm sorry, my bad. $45. I think these are the ones I was trying to figure out if I should resell or not. They had a discount before. The Air Force 2s. Not bad, $45 so that's cheap. Cheap. Oh, these are nice. Look at that. $65, normal $130. That too bad they're not in my size, man. I would think about it. Look at that. It's like a khaki material or something. Yeah, it's like a khaki material. Interesting little two-tone. Not bad. $65, not bad. So we're still looking for heat at the Nike outlets at the clearance center out in Santa Clarita. You're not really finding much, to be honest. These go for Photo Max 720 and 109. Go for 109. Interesting. The colorway is super awesome, but how about the shoe? As you guys know, or as some of you guys know, I've been making a killing on, well, not a killing, but I've been making a little something off of the Hydro series that's selling a bunch of these. And I've actually sold, so this is the Jordan 11 Hydro Emerald. And I've actually sold two of these for what, $55 and $60. But when I got them at $20 because I got 30% off. So I'm wondering if that $30 is not a profit, but I do have a $25 off MVP card. I'm wondering if I should use it now, if I should wait until this weekend when they have a sale. Let me know what you guys think. Should I get them? Should I not? Let me think about it. So they got a bunch of Hydro 7s. They only got 3. Those 3 right there. They only got 3 of the Jordan 11 Hydro. So I'm gonna have to think about it, guys. Think about it. I actually got some heat for you Bigfooters, but dang, retail, man. I saw these for $100 at at the Shoe Palace. I saw them for $100. These actually don't look huge for being size 15s. Don't look too bad, you guys. Don't look too bad. Well, that's a deal. It's a good deal for you. For those of you with big feet, size 15s, $60. $60 for some Pegasus 35s. Not bad. And those of you with big feet, Odyssey Reacts, size 14s. There's a nice little cool little pattern on them, not just white. That's pretty sick. See, man, I don't know if it's because of the colors or what. I saw these for like $69 or something. I think it's a different colorway though. But I don't understand their pricing scheme, you guys. Can never figure it out. It was size 8.5. This is some interesting. This is an interesting. I think 720. I've never seen this combination of colors. Interesting. It's the 9.5. We're looking for heat, you guys. Looking for heat at this Nike outlet, but not finding it today. Especially at these prices, man. Regular prices is crazy. Oh, look at this. Oh, damn. I'm all talking trash, and then look what I find here. $70. There's some Why Not 0.2s. Some all whites, man. These are clean. Talking trash. That's Nike's like, hey, take that. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. Pretty clean. So we're searching for heat at this Nike outlet, and look what we finally found. Finally found something different, you guys. I don't know if you guys know what that is. This is the Stranger Things Nike Cortez. These are the ones where There's denim actually underneath, so people are sitting here scratching this, burning this. They're doing whatever they can to show that denim. Yeah, there's denim under here, under the Nike swoosh, and then under this back part right here. So yeah, the Stranger Things pack. Not bad. Go for retail though, man. I don't know about that. I need to give a slight discount. This was returned. I do need to give a slight discount. See, they got the sale, and it shows deep royal blue. That deep royal blue is underneath. Kind of see slight. You can't really see it on the camera. But yeah, that's cool. Finally found some heat. They're kind of pricey though. How much they charging for these? Oh, 90 bucks. Oh, okay, I've never seen this colorway at the outlets. Cool, not bad. Has a little pouch on the back as well. Not bad. Dang, more heat, you guys. Look at this. How is this not in the kid sizes though? 5.5. Isn't that just in the kid sizes? How tiny that little box is. Dang. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Pegasus 35s. $70. $69.99. Not bad. That's a pretty solid deal. I don't know about the colorway, but yeah, price is right. Like a Fruity Pebble Vapor Max. Go for 110. Okay, that's not bad. That 30% would be super helpful. Get that on 100 bucks, but still not terrible. Those do originally go for 180, 190 or something, right? I want to film in the kids section, man. Price is just too damn high.
Rent is too damn high. Rent, it's too damn high.
I guess not on these. Not on like some of their generic shoes, 30 bucks. Yeah, some of their. But look at this, you guys. Look at this. 90 bucks, really? Really? For some Reacts? Damn, that's crazy. That's some crazy pricing. See these Black History months? Retro 2 Black History month. 80 bucks, you guys. I don't know. That just seems excessive. Seems excessive. Well, shit, I didn't know the original price was 150. 80 bucks, that's still high though. So those are kind of ugly. Jordan 8 GS still going for 70 bucks. Man. So these going for retail. Going for retail, you guys. 720s. Colorway's pretty cool. You know the kids are gonna mess that up, man. They're gonna get that dirty in like 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 70 bucks. Suede. See, this stuff will last. Suede. And then they got some knit material in the front. Not bad. That will last. 100 bucks for these. Jordan 3 metallics. I'm done, dude. Alright, that's pretty much it, you guys. It's interesting seeing stuff on regular prices here. Not even regular prices. That's actually, if you think about it, it's actually discounted regular prices, but just without that extra 20 or 30% off that they normally got. Interesting. All right, guys, we came looking for steals and deals, and we really didn't find much. We didn't find much, but you know they had those Stranger Things Air Force ones, but nothing crazy today. It's just interesting seeing stuff at regular outlet prices. It's not even regular prices; it's regular outlet prices. But yeah, so that was an interesting experience. All right, guys, we came looking for steals and deals, and we really didn't find much. We didn't find much, but you know they had those Stranger Things Air Force ones, but nothing crazy today. It's just interesting seeing stuff at regular outlet prices. It's not even regular prices; it's regular outlet prices. But yeah, so that was an interesting experience. If you guys like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Yeah, let me know if you found any deals. Let me know what deals you guys saw that I didn't see. Let me know what was worth copping even at regular outlet prices. I don't know. I didn't really see much. So yeah, but you guys let me know. Let me know, you guys. And thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks for watching. You guys know I got, what, 60 other videos by now? Something like that. So, all right, thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you guys check out all them other videos. Peace.